You've probably heard a lot about opt-in and lead magnet pages or even funnels that you should build for the products that you're promoting as an affiliate. However, this all may seem confusing, especially if you're just starting. If you're trying to figure out what all of these pages and funnels are and how you can actually build them, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a simple funnel for affiliate marketing that has potential to increase your conversion rate and improve your results. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius to be able to do that. One thing before we get started, if you're interested in affiliate marketing and funnel building, click the subscribe button below and enable notifications to not miss out on the future videos. Now let's dive straight into it. The first thing we need to clarify is the concept of the affiliate marketing funnel and what we are going to build in the next part of the video. Let's say you're promoting a course about Facebook ads as an affiliate. What does the vast majority of affiliate marketers do? They just send traffic straight to the page with this offer. Let's be honest, this is not the best approach, as the most important thing any marketer can have is an email list, so you can send follow-ups and promote other offers to the people on your list. That's why we don't want to send our contacts straight to the affiliate offer, straight to our Facebook ad course, but we first will capture their email addresses. And we're going to do that with the first page of our affiliate funnel, which is called an opt-in page or a lead magnet page. It's just a simple page where we want to get their email addresses in exchange for a lead magnet or a freebie that we're giving away. After that, we're going to send them to the next page of our funnel. The second page is called a pre-frame page or a bridge page. And the sole goal of this page is to, so to say, frame their mind, get them ready for the affiliate offer that they're going to see on the next page. Why is this bridge page important? Imagine you watched my YouTube video, then you click the link to my opt-in page where you can see a photo or video of me and some text. You fill in your email address and claim a lead magnet that I promised to you, and then suddenly you're redirected to a page where you see a person you have never heard of, you have never seen before, talking about their Facebook ads course. Will you be like, yeah, I'm going to buy this? Most likely not. That's why we're going to send our contacts to an opt-in page, then to a bridge page, which again shows us preparing them for the offer on the next page. Usually on the bridge pages you would want to use a video, and it will be something like there is a button down there under this video, and this button will take you to this amazing offer. And I even tried this course myself and it helped me to do this and that. And that button will finally lead them to our affiliate product, to our Facebook course. So let's sum it up. We send traffic to an opt-in page where we give away a freebie and capture an email address. Then we send them to the second page of our affiliate funnel where we prepare them for the affiliate product we are promoting and encourage them to click the affiliate link that will lead them to our affiliate offer. This funnel flow should improve conversion rate because you don't just send people to a random offer. You set them into the right state of mind and prepare them for this offer, which is not random anymore because they have already heard about this offer from you. Now let's build our affiliate marketing funnel. I'm using ClickFunnels 2.0 for this, and I consider it one of the best tools for funnel building. You can find the link to a free ClickFunnels 2.0 trial in the description of this video. And by the way, if you use our link to start your trial, you will get our ClickFunnels 2.0 course as a bonus, and it will help you shorten the learning curve with this software platform. We will start by creating a new funnel and all the funnel steps that we need for our affiliate marketing funnel. Here you can see my dashboard of the ClickFunnels 2.0 account. From the dashboard, go to the funnels, click Create Funnel, give your funnel a name, and ClickFunnels 2.0 will automatically suggest a path URL for your funnel based on the name that you give. You can always update and change it later in the settings of the funnel. Click Create Funnel. From here we will create the first step of our affiliate marketing funnel, which was, as you may remember, an opt-in page. Click this plus icon and select what you want to add. In our case, it's a page. You can choose any of the templates that you can see here, and the opt-in section of the templates will already include the templates that have the elements on the page that we need. But for the purpose of this video, let's start from scratch. Let's build a new empty page and add the elements that we need there. Give this page a name, and you can also enter the description and adjust the page URL, but you can also do that later in the settings of the page. Click Create Page. Click Edit to open the ClickFunnels page editor. Let's hide this sidebar to have more space, and now we can start by adding sections of our page. On an opt-in page, we would usually need a headline, an image. Usually you show a freebie that you're giving away on this page in exchange for the email address of the contact. We also will have some text and input fields for the contact to give us their contact information, and the button. And one of the best practices would also be to add a footer with all the policies, for example, privacy policy, cookie policy, and maybe even legal information, and some disclaimers if they are needed. If you're not familiar with the ClickFunnels page editor yet, I would recommend you to watch this step-by-step tutorial that you will see on the card up here. I will not go into the detail in this video on how everything is working, but I, of course, will explain the basics. In the ClickFunnels editor, we have different components. The biggest component that we have is a section. And when we add a new section, I usually choose the full page. You can choose different sizes here. This component will be marked with the green border. One level smaller from the section is a row, and rows may contain different amount of columns. We can add a 1-column row, 2-column row, and so on. And the row will be marked with the blue border, as you can see here. Inside the row, we can add different elements. The elements are usually marked with the orange border, and there are a lot of them for different purposes that you can just drag and drop to the page. In our case, we need a headline for our page, and that's why we're just dragging and dropping this element on the page. To edit the element, just click on it, and you can already type in the text. And to open the settings of the element, you can click on this gear icon. Let's build the structure of our page, and after that we can adjust the content. We already have our headline, and what we need next is an image of our freebie that we are giving away on this page, input fields for the contact to give us their contact information, a button to submit this information, and as mentioned, a footer. Let's build it. We need to add a 2-column row. Click Add Row here, choose 2 columns. In this column, you would usually add an image. Just click Add New Element and search for an image here. You can click on this element and it will be added to the page. And on the right, we would need some text. Click Add New Element, click Paragraph, and some input fields. How do you add another element? You usually highlight the element, you see the border for this element, and at the bottom, you see the button Add Element. Search for the input field, and we need 2 of them for a name and an email address. You can just clone this input field. After that, we need a button, Add Element, search for a button. And I would recommend you to add a footer to your pages. You can just use one of the templates offered by ClickFunnels. We will add it as a new section. Click Add Section, select Footers. And you see a few templates for footers that ClickFunnels has available. You can delete the elements that you don't need, for example, the social media links, and add some text and links that you would use. For example, what's missing here is privacy policy and cookie policy. But we will keep this footer as it is, because that's not the purpose of this video. We will focus on this main part of our opt-in page. Now we still need to make some changes to make this page work for us. First, I would adjust the bottom padding of this section to make more space between the button and the footer. Go to the padding bottom and increase it. Next, let's adjust the text that we have on the page. To do that, just click on this element and it will already open the editor for this element. Let's go with something like this. Again, the copywriting is not the point of this video, that's why we will not focus on that. After that, we will need to add an image. For that, click on the element, go to the image URL and click on this icon that you can see here. It will allow you to either upload an image from your device or to select an image from your library if you already have some here. I will go with the image that I already have in the library, and if you want to upload something, you just click this link, Upload Images. I definitely need to reduce the size of this image, and you can do it here, image width. Much better. Now we can change the text in the paragraph. Again, to do that, click on the element and you will be able to adjust the text. I would also align it to the left. That would work. And last but not least, we need to adjust our input fields and the button. To do that, click on the input field. The first input field is for the name of the contact. That's why you can select input type first name, and this field is required. Make sure that it's selected. If needed, in this field you can adjust the label of the text. That's the text that's visible in the input field. And the email field already has the right settings, but let's double check. Go to the settings. We have input type email address, and this field is required. That's right. The last thing that we need to do on this page is to adjust the text of the button and also make sure that it has the right action. It should submit the form, which means that ClickFunnels 2.0 will store the contact information, and after that it should redirect the contact to the next step of our funnel. Click on the button to open the settings. In this field you can adjust the text of the button and make sure that the button action is submit order or form. And that will do exactly what I described. It will submit the contact information and redirect the contact to the next step of our funnel. As you can imagine, you can do much more in the page editor. You can adjust the background, you can adjust the colors, the font, the formatting, and so on. But again, it's not the purpose of this video. I just want to show you in this video how you can build the affiliate marketing funnel, and you can do all the decoration of the pages on your own if you follow the step-by-step tutorial that I already mentioned before. Now we can save the page and move to the next step of our funnel. Click this plus icon to again add a new step, page, and we again will start from scratch. Give this page a name and click Create Page. Click Edit to open the page editor. On this page we will usually need a headline, and as mentioned, videos work the best on bridge pages. That's why we will add a video element and also a button that will lead to finally our affiliate offer or affiliate product that we are promoting. And of course, a footer. Let's build it. First of all, add a new section, full page, one column, and we need a headline here. Add a new row in the same section for our video, one column, and after that add new element, video. After the video we need to add a button, add element, button, and for the footer we will add a new section, and again search for footers and the templates that ClickFunnels already has. That would do it for now. Let's adjust the headline. To add the video to the page, you click on the settings of the video element, and in this field you would need to paste the video URL. As you can see, ClickFunnels accepts YouTube, Vimeo, Voomly, and other types of video. I will just add one of my YouTube videos. You can even see the thumbnail of the video already here in the page editor, and if you scroll further you can select different settings for your video. Next we need to change the text and also the link for our button, and I will also increase the space between the video and the button. You can do it by increasing the top margin here. Let's change the text. And for this button we need to select a different button action. In this case it will be Go To. And here we will paste the link where we want the contact to go. In our case, it will be the page with our affiliate offer. I will just take the link to ClickFunnels, and let's imagine that this is my affiliate link or the link to my affiliate offer. And that's basically it. Click Save and we will go back to our funnel and test the flow. You can click on the icon here to open the first funnel page. If you're curious how you can add a cookie notice to ClickFunnels 2.0 and also easily create your cookie policy and privacy policy, check out the video that you will see here. We just accept it for now. And let's test the flow of our funnel. I will enter my contact information. I will click the button to submit the contact information, and it should redirect us to the next step of our funnel. Here we can see our bridge page with the video. If I click play, it will open the video and play it here. And this button should lead us to the affiliate offer. In my case, it was the ClickFunnels page. Let's see. That's right, everything is working fine. Once you tested your funnel, make sure that you set it into the live mode in the settings. Select No here for the test mode and click Update Funnel. You will see the live label here now. And that's basically all you need to do to create a simple funnel for your affiliate product. As mentioned before, you can click the link in the description and start your free ClickFunnels 2.0 trial. And if you use our link, you will also get our ClickFunnels 2.0 course that will go into the details about the functionality of the platform and teach you all the basics, advanced techniques, and also some pro tips that only a few funnel builders are using. And if you want just a course, it's also linked in the description of the video. And just like that, our affiliate funnel is ready and you can use it to promote your affiliate product. To take it even further, you can create an email sequence that you will send to the contacts that opted in on your funnel and follow up on the affiliate offer or promote other affiliate products. I hope this video gave you some clarity on why it makes sense to build a simple funnel for affiliate offers you are promoting, and most importantly, how you can do that. Now you can go ahead and implement it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and also enable notifications so you don't miss out any future videos. And I will see you in the other videos. Bye bye.